So if somebody could just confirm that you can see my whiteboard, that would be super.
We can see it, sir.
Thank you. Right. Okay, guys. So it's going to be a very short live lesson today, and you're just going to be practicing the skills of rotations again. The vast majority of you have completed the last exercise, so very well done. If you haven't had a chance to do that, get that one done as well, please. I just thought you'd like an update on our first to 50 challenge, and I'm not going to say who the leader is, but our leader at the moment, or when I checked this morning, they might even have done more, but our leader is currently on 100%. Okay, so that's a mixture of lots of, in fact, probably all of the compulsory ones that he or she has got completely right, and then they've also started working through other ones that they're comfortable with. So just to remind you really quickly of the rules, you're not allowed to do any of the first 50 because they're sort of junior school, they're too peasy really, so they don't count. Okay, so 51 onwards, and just keep it to things that you are comfortable with, because I don't want you guys just dotting around starting ones and then abandoning them. Anything you start, you must get 50% in. Okay, so be careful before you launch into a new quiz. Do make sure it's something you're comfortable with, or you could get stuck. So today, as you can see, I would like you to do Hegarty quiz 649, please. The only difference from the one you did last lesson is that the center of rotation will not be the origin. All the ones you did last lesson, the center of rotation was consistently the origin. So you were just having to get your tracing paper on top, put your pencil at the origin, and then rotate the tracing paper either 90 degrees clockwise, 90 degrees anti-clockwise, or 180 degrees. And I think you probably picked it up. When it's 180 degrees, you don't have to specify whether it's clockwise or anti-clockwise, because if you turn halfway around, it doesn't matter which way you turn, you're going to end up in the same place. So what I would like you to do, please, please could you go and watch Mr. Hegarty's video first. Again, like I said last time, this is a difficult one for me to model. His software is much better than mine, so I think it's easier for you to see how to do these if you watch his video, please. And then if you could then launch into 649. I think one or two of you are getting into the habit of doing the exercises before the lesson, and that's fine. I can't stop you picking up when the Hegarty quiz is, because obviously that goes on to show my homework, and I can't control the time that you receive that. So that's all well and good if you're going to go and get 100%. But if you haven't got 100, if you've done it already, but you haven't got 100%, please could you go back and improve your mark once you've watched the video. And for those of you who get this done really quickly, it would be super if you could just try and do a few other quizzes to get you on the way towards the first to 50. Okay, that's it today, guys. A very quick lesson. It was nice to speak to you and see some of you. So if you go and get on with that exercise now, as always, I will be keeping an eye on any posts you're putting up, and I will be transferring your marks across from Hegarty. Obviously, if you get 100%, I know you have finished. If you get less than 100%, but you've had enough, you are actually going to stop trying to get it improving your mark, which is absolutely fine. Just make sure you go and click hand it in over on Teams, then I know that I can go and take the mark you've got, because sometimes people will get about 80% and will say, right, that's fine, and go and click hand it in. But other people might go back and try and improve that 80% to 100%, right? Which is great if you want to do that. But I won't know that that's your plan unless you let me know. Okay, guys, so take care. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.